right, so I just got done working and doing my social media, and it's actually a nice day. It's like 86 degrees, so it's actually not like 100 degrees right now like it always is in Arizona. So I'm going to go wash my car because it looks absolutely terrible. Black in the desert is not a good idea at all. Yeah, here, check this out. If you can see all that desert sand on here. And I'm gonna wash this thing, and like it's gonna take one day and it's gonna be back on here, but I'm not leaving this thing like this. Screw that. I had a lot of you talking about the front bumper. This thing has seen better days, as you can tell. But I think I'm going to keep it for a little bit. I think the next step is probably a carbon fiber wing on the back. But I don't know. We'll see what time brings. Alright, so she's all clean now. She's looking good. But every time I come to Quick Quack, I swear, look at this. Every single time I come to Quick Quack, there's something going on. But the car does look good. And then, of course, you got to get the finishing touch. Boom. Ceramic coat this bitch. Tell you what, it definitely does not suck to live here. There's Kenny over there going for a little walk. Arizona is so beautiful. Look at this Z right here. That thing is sick. Let's see if it's the 2+2. Oh, no gas cap. Interesting. I can't tell. Hopefully they restore this thing though, because that thing is sick. So this is what it's about right here. Editing for the second channel and watching the Suns game. The series is 2-2 right now. I don't know why we're playing with the Mavs. It doesn't make any sense. Yes, Luka is the bomb, but he doesn't have the supporting cast that the Suns have. So this is doing a good job of distracting me right now because I'm about to tear this TV up. And no, my TV is not 32 inches. It is 50 inches. I'm just sitting far back from it. So if this team don't win, it's going to be a crisis today. Let's go. Let's go! So I'm sitting here reflecting. Cigar for times of success. Always celebrate your successes. And you know, we got the old duels because we don't drink anymore. And one question that I get asked a lot is, you guys know I've had all three of the major European cars I've had. My first car was 98 Audi A4. Then I had a 2000 S4, unbelievable car. Then during the time I was building the S4, I had a 98 328 automatic, and I got sick of the automatics when I went to a E30 manual 318, and then I sold all of them because I was moving out to Arizona. And then the first car in Arizona was a C63 Mercedes, and now I have obviously the 6-speed 328, and always the question comes up is which one's the best. So it pains me to say this because I am the four rings all day, but that is really a niche type vehicle itself. When I think about the BMW and the Mercedes, they're just better overall. They're just better cars. Reliable, not so much, but better driver cars, those two are definitely better than Audis. So then which one would I prefer, BMW or Mercedes?
And here's what I'll say is, from a driving every single day, loving the car, road feel, all around car, BMW, 100%. From a luxury, styling, I want to be seen, but also just all out balls speed car, that would be your Mercedes. So it's really difficult to tell. But if I had to choose, that would be the order. It would be BMW, Mercedes, and then Audi. But what do you guys think? What's your preference on that? Which car brand do you think is the best? And then which cars do you drive as well? So I don't know, but let me know what you guys think. And remember to celebrate those successes.